everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about single strokes, and what single strokes are is where we alternate our sticks, and alternate means to move from one to the other. And this actually comes out of the book Stick Control, and it's a single beat combination, so we're just going to be doing right, left, right, left. So I'm going to do this for a few bars, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And as I'm playing, if you'll notice, my hand is moving with the stick, meaning my fingers are moving with the stick, and I'm squeezing with my thumb and first finger while my wrists are rotating. You'll notice that both hands look the same. Okay, so this would be a single stroke roll, which is a drum rudiment. Now what we can do is if we practice it slow, we can work our tempo up as we get more comfortable, a little faster as we get more comfortable. Back our tempo down. And then we end where we started. That's the single stroke roll. It's also number 1 in Stick Control book by George Lawrence Stone. Single beat combination. Thank you. Have a great day.